Hello student, today I am going to teach you the topic on business studies. Today our topic is classification of business activities. Here we had described business activity into two. First is industries and second is commerce. What industry means? Deals with production of goods and services. And here commerce means deals with the distribution of goods and services. Means commerce are the functions which aid to the business activities. Okay. Further, industries have been further classified into three groups. First is primary industries, which has been included extractive, generic industries. Second industries are there where we are finding manufacturing and constructive industries, where the construction work of the product has been done. Means conversion of raw material into finished goods. Next is coming tertiary, or either we can say service industries, where we are these activities added to the main industry, that is primary industry and second industries. Now we are coming to the next, that is our commerce, which include the distribution of goods and services. Here we are having main two things, that is trade, and further trade has been divided into two, that is internal trade and second is external trade. And the next is aids, or we can say auxiliary to trade. Auxiliary to trade means which are going to help the main trading activities, which includes the helping hands to take the product from place of production to the place of consumption. Internal trade. Internal trade is further divided into two, that is first is wholesale trade, where we are purchasing the product in bulk. Second is retail trade, generally the shopkeepers from where we are had purchased the products in one or two quantity or little quantities. Next is coming external trade, which include which crosses the geographical boundaries of the countries. Here three methods are there. First is import, second is export, and third is interport. Import means what? Suppose we are living in India and we are taking something from Australia, then the products coming from Australia is considered as an imported product. But on the other side, we are sending something from India to Australia, it is considered exported. And on the third hand, when we are having involvement of more than two countries in an product sending, that is considered as interport, where one more country is involved. And lastly, auxiliary to trade, which include transportation, trade, breaking and financing, insurance, warehousing and advertisement. So today we had completed the classification of business activities in a summarized manner. Thank you.